Good day, guys. As you all know me, as a mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, before I can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So, guys, as much as you can see, guys, we are on US30 and we're going to analyze NASDAQ as well. So, remember Friday, guys, we told you that we're going to be approaching more of buying opportunities than selling opportunities. So what we like about Friday is that the market only gave us buying opportunities, even though selling opportunities were there. But I told you that selling opportunities will be for short term, but buying opportunities are going to be a long term. So if you get that entry point, man, and you see that the market left, just leave it sliding because it will never come back. You understand? So I don't know if you get it, but that's how it is. So if you can check now, there's what the buys that we took. We said if you take this one, so you're gonna close there, and then if you take this one, you're gonna close there, the top side. So if you can see, it's just a beautiful buy. Like I told you, this structure been there, been holding the market from dropping to the bottom side, but without wasting your time, guys. Some of you guys didn't watch my videos on Friday, so what can I do? So I have to reanalyze and show you how you can actually get it correct. You understand? So always we start from a weekly time frame. I'm gonna repeat this every day always so that you get to understand it. You understand? So guys, like I told you guys, for more information about my course, just hit me up on my WhatsApp so that you can get to understand. There's a course that goes like a 3.5 year. It's on special, whereby you'll get the recorded full course and everything. It's not a matter of you paying the 12K one. Now you can just go for 3.51 and then you're going to get all the service that you require. You understand, from that 3.5. After watching that lesson, you can just come hit me up. Then I tell you everything that you want to know. You understand? Remember, there's gap strategies. You understand? There's cheat codes or fundamentals. There's a lot of things, man. I had one student say, if you were to use cheat codes, you're gonna kill it very hard, because they know very well that, man, if I can teach you this for free, man, imagine what I have. I have more fire things, more fire content. And I like the fact that I see a lot of people improving from trading, and this trading view things, and Albert, they're boring me now. But at the end of the day, guys, you can see that everyone is winning and everyone is eating. And that's what I actually like. And so here, I'm just going to create my trend line like this. No, it shouldn't break out. It doesn't have to break out because it didn't break out. Understand? Because once it says it breaks out, then it's another story that we have to go with it. So here, like I told you guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just create our trend line like this. I like it as a wedge like this, so that if we break the top side, we get to understand which direction we're gonna take. So if you can check here, first touch, second touch, then the third touch. If I can try to force it, it will touch. Understand? So from here, this could be a breakout, come back, retest, pull back, breakout here, because this will be our break-off structure there at the top. You understand? Not break-off structure. Yeah, it's break-off structure. Actually, it's going to be break-off structure there. So we are looking for more buying opportunities from this position. I don't know, due to that most of the people can see this buy. Are they going to manipulate us? But man, we don't trade manipulation. We trade what the market tells us. So we go into the daily time frame and see what is it that tells us. So from the daily time frame, if you want to be too good with drawing trend lines, what you do, you remove this trend line and you remove this one. In possibilities, you can just have this trend line on a weekly time frame and remove it from the other time frame so that you don't get confused. You understand? So you're gonna come here, draw it from this point. Trend line will only need the second touch. The third touch and fourth just bonus. If we have first and second, we know where the third touch will be. I don't know if you got it, but that's how it is. Understand? So here, we're going to create another one here. You see, this is just a beautiful channel. The market broke out here. It's breaking. It's going to break out here and push furthermore to the top. It's going to be bigger and better. That's what I think about it. I think that this one is going to create new highs. I don't know this year, but maybe it will create it next year. But, man, I told you we're buying until next year now. We're buying, guys. If you're gonna be left out, that's you there. But we're buying. I know why I'm saying this, because last year I did analyze the chart. I saw why it was selling. This year I analyzed the chart. I know why it's buying. I might not draw that previous trend line, but that previous trend line plays a big role to whatever that is happening now. But if the market decides to break this trend line, that's when we're gonna start looking for selling opportunities. Yes, I know you wanna enter sales here. Go enter them. You're going to blow your account so bad. You understand? So one thing that I do, I don't preview the market. I don't trade this week. Next week, I tell you how I trade it. I predict. The market then have to do what I have predicted. So tomorrow, you're going to do the same thing. Because if I preview, if I take losses, I'm not going to upload. I never seen everybody previewing the market say, I took this trade, lost this, only losses. It's only profit. But here we preview. Me and you, we're going to get into the chart, try to figure out and get the market correct. You understand? If the market goes incorrect, you're going to see that, oh, Ninja said this, the market went incorrect. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified once you upload. The problem about most of you, you don't hit the notification bell. Once I upload, you want to see the video around 7, you enter wrong entries. Oh, that's you there. You understand? That's you. So here, what we're going to do, guys, we're still going to push to H4 and see what is it that is going on. I can see that the buys are actually like winning there. You see, the buys are winning. The buys are winning, bro. Like the buys are winning. We're still going to buy here. I don't know if you know, but I know. You get the point? So, yo, bro, we're still going to buy here. This is just like a major key. So, major key start from an H4 in a daily time frame. If the trend line is on an H4 time frame, it's still major. If it's on a daily time frame, it's still major. Weekly, obviously, you know, that is the king of them. That's a major one. So, you see here, we need to break out this trend line so that we can see more of buying opportunities, understand? So by breaking out this trend line is very important, whereby it plays a bigger role. But I'm looking forward to just touch a little bit and reverse, but I'm gonna buy, understand? I'm waiting for buying opportunities regardless what, you understand? So here I know where I'm gonna take my buys, probably here. So actually I already took my buys here, so you guys should wait for this trend line to be broken out, and then so that you continue with it. I think the time you're gonna be watching this video, because some are sleeping, you know, they dreaming on Monday. You know, I used to tell my friend that if my friend wakes up around 10, I'd be like, hey, you have money, né? And you find that I have the most money, but I'd be like, hey, you have money, né? Why do you wake up around this time? You get the point? So man, sleeping is for the I can't say it's for the rich, because rich people don't sleep. It's for the poor. If you want to be poor, keep on sleeping. You understand? Early the bait, early the rise. That's how it is. So here, guys, if you can check here, I must say I need buying opportunities here, no matter what. You understand? I think like this trend line might be there, but you know, we already broke the major one. Here we gotta be having something more fire to break this trend line. You get the point? So that's how it is. You know, we don't control the market. We let the market predict its own direction, then we follow it. I like how other students understand that concept. You know, you don't control it. You can't control the market. You let the market control itself. What you do is you follow what the market just said. This is a language which you gotta understand. You know, yeah, I know. Definitely, you think I didn't understand the language of the market, but I did. I did. Definitely, here I'm going a profit, man. Let me just check how much I'm going. You know, you're still sleeping. You're still sleeping. I'm busy going my breakfast here. Let me see how much is going. It's actually going 1.8. You understand? I don't understand what happened with the second entry, but probably it might be the ask price. But I'm going 1.8. That's a profit, right? From a 2K account, going 1.8. So let's see what it will do, man, because I have to hold until 8 there, London session opening, so I can see what is going to happen. You get the point. So this is how it is, man. You see, this trend line might be skeptical and everything, but we're going to definitely pass it. You know, today, guys, buying opportunity. Today's Monday, just buy. You know, buy. Make sure that you eat today. If you don't eat today, yo, I don't know which day you're going to eat today. There's even market makers are still sleeping. So if you can check here, this is how it is. We're approaching that trend line. We're trying to break it. So I'm gonna just adjust it a little bit. So you don't blow your account due to this trend line. You see? Then I'm gonna adjust it a little bit. So I see that, oh, the trend line having here touched, which is like, you're not part of our problem. We are heading to you. So that's how the buys becomes more confident that, okay, we can enter buys and relax. So as much as you can see, guys, this was your US30. Nothing much better than whatever I said on Friday. Here, you just have to focus more on buying opportunities. So once I analyze from the highest time frame, that's when I start analyzing from the smallest time frame, and then I give a direction due to smaller time frames. This is how I analyze. You get the point. I don't start from M1 and then from M1 start looking for trades. It will blow your account. So here I'm gonna just look for this trend line. Don't let this trend line confuses you. This is just a channel that is there. You know, if the market decides to sell from here, it's coming here. So that is something that is there. You gotta cater, and then even here, there's a support that we can touch. Possible. They are possible, you know. That's how the market is, but you gotta understand why is this. If the market breaks out this trend line, it's definitely coming here. But you can't expect a direction from here coming here without breaking this trend line. So let's go to Nasdaq and see what Nasdaq has for us. Where's Nasdaq? Where's Nasdaq? Where's Nasdaq? Wow. Okay, that's Nasdaq for us. Okay, so we took an entry point there. We're still on a buying profit. Like Yo, this market thing, guys, becomes so easy every day. Let's see what happened. What did I analyze? What did I analyze? Oh, that's what I actually analyzed, and which is perfect, which is perfect. But let's start from the drawing board, from the smallest time frame. Let's see what from the highest. Oh, I said this is a pullback. We're going to break this, and a weekly pullback creates more than anything. Imagine getting this kind of candlestick on a weekly time frame. Don't worry about this candlestick. It's just there to relax. The market is not freeway. You can't just move straight forward without taking those short-term breaks. So it's just on a break. We're not going to entertain it. So here we're just going to create places whereby when the market touches, the market reverses. Yo, every day I come here saying the same thing, but you're still not getting it. Come on. But I see a lot of students improving, guys, and I like the fact that you guys have improved, man. I see on my WhatsApp coming every day saying, man, if it was in your YouTube, and you guys feel like I'm not inspired. I'm so freaking inspired. I never thought I could actually manage to get the market correct and understand it. And I once been a newbie like you, but the day I got it and I understood it, it was the day I decided to say, let's teach the people the real thing, because you guys are busy. People are afraid to do YouTube videos and teach people. Can you do YouTube videos and teach people? Well, there's me. Imagine the biggest pressure. You see why the market was selling last day. We had a downtrend here, an upper trend which we broke, and then now we have a downtrend that we broke. That is why we're buying. So the only way we can sell and expect bigger sales, we need to break out this trend line. I don't know if other people saw this trend line, but I wish they can give me work at Wall Street for being an expert of the market. It didn't take me time to be an expert. I just studied, I got it correct, understood what's happening. This is just like a market moving, understand? If you can see, the market is going with high highs and higher low. You understand? High, higher low. And then after when it breaks out the breakout structure, check what it does. It goes straight. So this is how it is. We expect the same thing here. So it means with this movement, the weight so big, it can actually be equivalent to this movement. So we can actually get the biggest buy from this point moving forward to the top. You saw how we got the direction. Easy like that. So here we're going to go to the daily time frame and see what is it that we see on the daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, I'm going to just take it from here with that small channel there. And then here, what we can do here is, because we need more confidence on the direction, we can just do third touch there so we can understand moving forward to the top still there, and we still have to understand it. Understand? So we go straight to H4 and see what does H4 has for us. Understand? It's very important for us to go there and see what does H4 have for us. Same thing, same on US30. You just have a structure like this, which we probably can say we're heading to you, but we want to break you. So we come again here, and then we create another one here. Check how this thing is so cute. This thing is so cute, guys. The market is cute. We're just following what the market is doing, understand? We're not controlling it. We're not saying you're going to go there. No, the structure and the language of you says so. So we're following you due to your language. Understand? So here's sort of like a head and shoulder. I don't know if you see it, but it's sort of like a head and shoulder here. This is my left shoulder, my head. My right shoulder is probably like diagonal. So that's how it is. You understand? Right shoulder, I mean, it's probably diagonal. So yeah, we can see we're buying here. So guys, the other thing that you have to know, guys, I have free channel on the link. Just go to the description, you're gonna get it. Go to the free channel, get free signals, and get sanitized. Understand? Making money makes sense. I always say that. So yeah, this is how it is, guys. This is what I see from the market. I don't know if you have another thing that you see, but this is what I see. And for me seeing this, I'm not going to change. I'm seeing buying opportunities. First thing first, you can put it there. The other one, put it there, the top side. Just leave it slide. Forget. Now I can just close my chart and go and sleep the whole day. When I wake up, I'll be sitting on a higher back. You get the point? So at the end of the day, guys, that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let's keep on watching this video and learning. So yeah, let's meet on another video, guys.